My brother. I have a brother. His name is Jack. He is 20 years old. Jack is my younger brother, and I love him very much. We are very close, and he is my best friend. Jack is tall and strong. He has short black hair and brown eyes. He always has a big smile on his face. Everyone says he is very friendly because he is always kind and polite. Jack is a college student. He studies science. He wants to be a doctor in the future. He works very hard because he loves to learn. He spends a lot of time reading books and doing his homework. He says he wants to help sick people one day. I know he will be a great doctor. At home, Jack is very helpful. He helps our mom with cooking. He can make simple dishes like fried rice and soup. He also helps clean the house. On weekends, he helps our dad in the garden. He waters the plants and picks vegetables. Jack has many hobbies. He loves to play football. Every Saturday, he goes to the park and plays with his friends. He also enjoys watching football matches on TV. Sometimes we watch together, and he explains the game to me. Jack also likes movies. He enjoys action and comedy movies. In the evenings, we watch movies together. He always chooses good movies and we laugh a lot. One of Jack's best qualities is that he is very kind. He helps people when they need it. If someone in our neighborhood needs help, Jack is always ready to assist. For example, last week, he helped an old man carry groceries to his house. Everyone likes him because he is so caring. Jack and I do many things together. Sometimes we ride bikes in the park. Other times we play games or work on puzzles. We also talk about everything. I can share my problems with him and he always listens. If I feel sad, Jack knows how to cheer me up. He makes jokes and tells funny stories to make me laugh. Even though we are siblings, we sometimes argue, but we always make up quickly. Jack says that I am his big sister and he respects me a lot. I also respect him because he is a good person. I am proud of my brother. He is hardworking, kind, and smart. I feel lucky to have him in my life. Jackie's not just my brother. He is my best friend. I hope we stay close forever. My sister. I have a sister. Her name is Emma. She is 23 years old. Emma is my elder sister, and I love her very much. She is kind, caring, and always there for me. Emma is tall and has long brown hair. She has bright blue eyes and a warm smile. She looks beautiful in everything she wears. She is always neat and tidy. Emma works as a teacher. She teaches little children at school. She loves her job because she enjoys helping kids learn. Every day, she comes home and tells me funny stories about her students. I like listening to her stories. At home, Emma is very helpful. She helps our mom with cooking and cleaning. She also takes care of me. If I need help with anything, she is always ready to assist me. Sometimes she helps me with my homework. She is very good at explaining things, so I learn quickly. Emma has many hobbies. She loves to read books. She always has a book in her hand. She also enjoys drawing and painting. Her drawings are beautiful, and she sometimes gives me her paintings as gifts. Emma also likes to bake. She makes delicious cakes and cookies. My favorite is her chocolate cake. On my birthdays, she always bakes a special cake for me.
I feel very happy when she does that.
Emma and I spend a lot of time together. We like to watch movies in the evening. She always chooses interesting movies. We also play games together or go for walks in the park. Emma likes to talk to me about many things. I can share my secrets with her, and she never judges me. One thing I admire about Emma is her kindness. She is always ready to help others. If someone in our family or neighborhood needs help, Emma is the first to offer support. Everyone likes her because she is polite and respectful. Even though we sometimes argue, we never stay angry for long. Emma says I am her little brother, and she will always take care of me. I believe her because she has a big heart. I feel lucky to have a sister like Emma. She is not just my sister. She is my best friend. She inspires me to work hard and be kind to others. I love her, and I hope we stay close forever. I have one brother, and his name is Adam. He is 25 years old. Adam is my elder brother, and I love him very much. He is my best friend, my guide, and someone I always look up to. Adam is tall and strong. He has short black hair, brown eyes, and a kind smile. He always looks neat and tidy. He likes to wear casual clothes, but he looks very smart when he wears formal clothes. Adam works as an engineer. He loves his job and he is very hardworking. He goes to work every morning and comes home in the evening. Even though he is busy, he always spends time with our family. He helps my parents with many things, and they're very proud of him. At home, Adam is very helpful. He helps me with my studies when I don't understand something. He is very good at math, and I always ask him for help. He also knows how to fix things in the house. If something is broken, Adam can repair it. Adam is not only smart but also very kind. He always helps people. When he sees someone in need, he tries to help them. For example, last week, he helped an old man carry heavy bags to his car. Everyone likes Adam because he is polite and respectful. In his free time, Adam likes to read books. He loves books about science and technology. Sometimes he tells me interesting things he learns from his books. Adam also enjoys playing football with his friends. On weekends, he often goes to the park to play. He says it helps him relax after a long week. Adam and I have a special bond. We like to talk about everything. I can share my secrets with him because I trust him. He gives me good advice when I have a problem. If I feel sad, Adam always knows how to make me happy. Sometimes we watch movies together or play video games. These moments are very special.
To me.
Even though we sometimes argue, we always make up quickly. He says I am his little sister and he
Will always protect me.
I know he means it because he cares for me so much. I feel lucky to have a brother like Adam. He inspires me to be a better person. I want to work hard like him and be kind to others, just like he is. My brother is my hero, and I am so grateful to have him in my life.